All right, viewers, welcome back. Episode 16, still on permutation. Let's see how possible solutions we can get for this. So, a people tries to arrange the letters of the in the word ducklings, taking 4 letters at a time. You have to find the number of ways of arrangement if the first option is what? Any of the letters can be used. If any of these letters can be used. So this simply means that we are arranging all these letters speaking 4 at a time in the sense of the first question. So let's say the word duckling has how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have what? 9 letters. So if 9 letters, then picking 4 at a time, the first one is going to be 9 letters picking 4 at a time. Remember, we are only saying that you are picking all the objects. Let's shorten the leg of this. All the number of options you have is 9. Then you are picking 4 of them at a time. That simply means in the first position of your first word, all the 9 letters can be used. Then after that, you need to have 8. From that, you need to have 7, 6 in that order. So let's see how we can do that. This becomes 9 factorial, 9 minus 4, all factorial, giving rise to 9 factorial on what? 5 factorial. Expanding that further give you 9 times 8, 7, 6, 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial. So we can see, as I said earlier on, there are 4 words. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will cancel. The first position will only be, you have available of 9 letters to pick from. After picking that one, you are left with only 8 options for the next position. For the third one, you'll be left with only what? 7 options to pick from. Then you'll be left with only 6 options. That is using the fundamental principles of counting. But here we are applying permutation. So when this cancel, we have 72 times 40. Yeah, 42. Let's see what that will give us. So that will be giving us 30 to 4 various ways. That is, let's say, 3024 various ways. If we are picking any of the letters, any 4 of them can be selected. All right, let's see the second part. So in this case, we are going to select still 4 of them. But if it must begin with a vowel, it means that the first position is being described. We cannot have a consonant in the beginning. So we can say so how many vowels are here? 1, 2. Has what? 2 vowels. So if the first place is going to have only vowel, it means that it is having 2 options, whereby you pick one at a time. You cannot put you and I together because you're looking for one position, just the first position. So you are having option of 2, selecting one at a time. That is 2 permutation 1, and that will give you what? 2. Then you will be left with 3 spaces to fill, since there are 4 letters. So 3 spaces could either be a vowel or a consonant. There's no restriction. So it means that after I pick one of them, which is you, from here, the position is occupied. Then I'll be left with how many options to pick from for the next position. This is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll be left with 8 options to pick from. It means in that 8 options, how many positions are left? 3. So 8 items where we are paying attention to only 3. So this is going to be the number of arrangement is going to be 2 which is the first option for the first position, times 8 permutation what? 3. We are having only 8 letters are left. Then in that 8 letters, we are only looking for 3 at a time, which could be any of them. So that will give us that expansion. So this will give us 2 multiplying the permutation, that is going to be 8 permutation 8 minus 3 factorial is a factorial, not permutation, right? So that will give you 2 times 8, 7, 6, 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial, since 8 minus 3 is going to be 5. So this will cancel that. We should be left with 56 times 12. So 56 times 12 will give us 672, right? Yeah, 672 ways, which means 672 ways is where we can form 4-letter words from ducklings, whereby the first position will always be a vowel. Again, this is also clear. So let's take the third option. Which option is that? We are looking for it must end with any of these letters. This is just the same as the second option. Here we are paying attention to the ending part, which will still be a restriction on the ending part. So we are left with the first 3, could be any of the letters, right? So let's see how that will be done. So we can say that for C, the letters that we have been provided with the condition is will be K, we have N, G, and what? S. How many are they? 4. So it means that if I am to have this, remember multiplication is commutative, I am paying attention to this. And in these options, I'm having 4 items to pick from, 1 at a time. And 1 at a time is going to be 4 permutation 1, which is at the ending part. Then I'll be left with 1, 2, 3, meaning only 3 letters are left to be selecting from the 9. But this 9, if one of them is selected already, you'll be left with 8. And this will also be 8 options left, then selecting 3. This is what we are going to be having. So number of arrangements become, remember this will give you 4. So 4 times 8 permutation what? 3. So let's go. This is going to be 4 times, we can put this on the calculator as 8 permutation 3 and see what that will give us. That will be giving us 336. So when you multiply this by 4 times 4, that will give you 1,344 ways. So you can check that this is taking some restriction on the positions of the selection. The first example is just the normal selection, whereby all the letters are different, we are picking 4 at a time. But if there's a restriction, this is how we go about it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.